Hello everyone, in front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and let me show you how to activate developer options. First, open the settings, then mark about device and here click on version. Now tap 7 times on version number at the top of the list, then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and now you are a developer. So let's go back. Now you can find developer options under additional settings. Just scroll all the way down and click on developer options. Here you can activate whatever you want. Just go through all the options and manage them however you like. To switch them off, then just unmark the top indicator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.